is a foldable phone, but the Vivo X Fold 6 can feel like something much more. With its large display and AI-powered features, it almost works like a productivity machine. With foldables, it all comes down to two things: the hinge and how well you use that big screen. That's where OriginOS 6 Fold comes in. Built specifically for the X Fold 6, it's designed to make the foldable display far more useful. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. OriginOS 6 Fold includes an exclusive atomic workbench with two operating modes, serial and parallel. In simpler terms, they're called 1 large, 4 small, and multi-screen. The 1 large, 4 small setup was already introduced on previous Vivo foldables, but now it's better. The app display area is 15% larger, making big windows easier to use. The split-screen layout has also been optimized to make better use of the available space. But multi-screen mode takes this even further. The X Fold 6's inner display can be divided into up to 4 areas with different layouts and proportions. You can run multiple apps together and freely resize every window. There's also a 4-finger gesture to instantly enlarge a specific app, and when you switch to another app, you don't need to resize anything manually. The system adjusts the windows automatically. Multi-screen also supports AI cross-window playback. One standout feature is Hover OCR, which can recognize and extract text from images. Then you can paste, translate, or even turn that text into a new contact with a single step. And here's where things get really interesting. Just say, hey V, open A, B, C, D, and Blue Star V instantly launches all 4 apps, automatically choosing the best window size for each. You can also control everything with gestures, or simply fold the Vivo phone and it automatically switches to multi-screen mode. That means you can join a video conference, take notes, reply to work messages, and compare prices across platforms, all at once. And remember, this is all happening on the Vivo X Fold 6. Just unfold the screen and you're ready. To make things even easier, the X Fold 6 can save app combinations for one-click access. It also remembers recently used combinations and groups them together in the taskbar. Minimize them, and you can reopen them anytime. Tap the stacked icons on the right side of the taskbar, and your recent apps expand into a fan-shaped layout that feels surprisingly similar to a desktop OS. So let me ask you, for a truly AI-powered office experience, AI is obviously the key, and the Vivo X Fold 6 introduces an industry-first built-in AI document manager designed from the ground up for managing mobile documents. If you regularly download, store, or organize files on your phone, this could be a game changer. The Document Manager homepage uses a desktop-style layout. It sorts documents by source and type, making files much faster to find. It also uses local large-scale model capabilities to make document management smarter. For example, you can create document topics simply by entering keywords. The local model automatically finds matching documents and organizes them under that topic, so those files are much easier to locate later. When you open a PDF, the built-in AI automatically optimizes the layout for the phone's screen. No more endless zooming or side-to-side swiping. Just unfold it and read comfortably. Compared with a narrow iPhone display, it's much easier on the eyes, and one-click rotation makes the experience even faster. But Vivo isn't stopping there. The X Fold 6 introduces a new PC mode built specifically for its foldable screen. Connect it to a monitor through wired or wireless projection, and you get a Windows-style desktop interface with up to 5 app windows at once. Control it through the touchscreen or connect a keyboard and mouse. Basically, that big foldable screen can turn your phone into a mini PC. And honestly, Vivo's approach here is pretty clever. Even better, you don't always need a separate monitor. If the Vivo Office Suite is installed on your computer, you can connect the X Fold 6 and use PC mode directly through the computer. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, you're essentially bringing OriginOS 6 Fold's computer experience to your PC. And the goal is simple: make your phone work more like a real computer. Okay, enough productivity. Let's talk cameras. The camera performance might not be completely unexpected, but the super telephoto capability is seriously impressive. It can compete with Vivo's own X300 series. Vivo has also adapted the Zeiss G2 True Vision lens for this foldable and included a protective case that feels lighter and more premium. Looking at Vivo's 2026 lineup, this lens system and telephoto setup are extremely difficult to match in smartphone photography. The X Fold 6 gets the X300 Ultra's native blueprint color technology. It supports high-definition portraits across the full focal length range, with multiple focal length styles. So yes, the X Fold 6 delivers one of the strongest camera systems on a foldable phone, and that helps justify its ultimate foldable phone title. But it's not just about folding, it's about how Vivo uses that massive display. The camera experience gets especially interesting. While shooting, the inner screen can display up to 2 pages of images, letting you select photos instantly. The outer screen can even show fun animations to attract children or pets for the perfect shot. That outer display can also act as a notification screen, making solo vlogging and travel selfies much easier. And if you love experimenting, the flexible hinge adds even more options. You can position the phone to capture crowds, traffic, waterfalls, or even starry skies using long exposure. As expected from Vivo, the hardware is also packed. The X Fold 6 uses the Dimensity 9500 Super Edition flagship chip customized specifically for this phone. Its high-efficiency concurrent engine improves power efficiency during multitasking. There's also a new AI engine developed with Vivo's R&D team, improving speech-to-text accuracy and long-text reasoning efficiency. Then comes another huge highlight: the battery. Every X Fold 6 variant packs a 7,000 mAh semi-solid-state battery, along with IPX8 and IPX9 water resistance. That combination of battery life and durability gives the X Fold 6 a serious advantage over many foldables. Add the premium inner and outer displays, S3 color option, slim design, and distinctive texture, and you get a very complete foldable package. But the biggest upgrades aren't just about hardware. Vivo is finally tackling one of the biggest problems with foldables: how to actually use that huge display. Features like multi-window multitasking, PC mode, and AI document management push the foldable beyond simply being a bigger phone. They give it real light office capabilities. Put everything together, and productivity gets a major boost. The X Fold 6 isn't just a foldable smartphone anymore. It can act like a foldable notebook and a next-generation AI-powered office tool. The base Vivo X Fold 6 starts at 7,999 yuan in China, around £889 in the UK, or approximately $1,177 in the USA. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!